Now, speaking of sugar, I'm about to blow your mind in terms of sugar. We're about to take it to a whole nother level with sugar. Never mind 10%, all right? Never mind a little bit of extra sugar in your bread. Never mind a little pastry. This, according to Eat This, Not That, this is the most dangerous can of soda on planet Earth. It is called Sunkissed Pineapple. And I'm going to read some specs to you, Willie Do, just to just to scare you. In a 12-ounce can, you have 190 calories, 60 milligrams of sodium, and 51 grams of sugar.
Oh.
51 grams of sugar. Here's your ingredient list. I know this is really just so tantalizing. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, sodium benzoate, acacia gum, ester gum, yellow 5, yellow 6. That's right, you got yellow 5 and yellow 6. Because yellow 5 wasn't enough. You needed yellow 6 as well. These are additives to give it a certain kind of color. I don't think there's any pineapple in there, Will.
No.
I don't think you're getting pineapple in there. There's a couple of other what they consider to be dangerous sodas on the list, including Crush Peach, which I didn't even know existed, although that one has 2 grams less sugar. It's got Red 40 and Yellow 5. And you have Stewart's Cherries and Cream Soda. You have Sunkissed Fruit Punch. I'm telling you, Fanta Pineapple. I think if you got a pineapple soda can, you're probably in trouble. And if you have anything Sunkissed, you're probably in trouble. But let's be honest, all of these things are packed with sugar. That's why people like them. That's why people drink them.
It's caffeine free, though.
Yeah. Caffeine free. It must be healthy.
Natural flavor.
Yeah, it's all. Yeah, I don't know how they get away with that with the natural. Put the natural on the can. Nothing natural about that. I mean, if there's something natural about that, I'll tell you what, it's less than 10% and it would never fly in Ireland. Anyways, Sunkissed Pineapple, the most dangerous can of soda on planet Earth.